Hey guys, Elliot here for Worldwide Auctioneers, and I'm joined by co-owner and principal auctioneer Rod Egan. We wanted to share this great offering from the Passport collection that's going to be going up as part of our new extended Enthusiast auction this April. This is a 1967 Aston Martin DB6 Vantage, and the Vantage part is the important part there, Rod, right?
Yeah, it is. Obviously, you get that better spec, which translate to performance. So you know it looks great immediately as soon as you lay eyes on it. You've had the pleasure of driving this, so have I.
Yes.
Let's talk about performance and how a car like this handles.
It's a fantastic to drive car. It starts right up, which is important.
Yes.
But the thing is that Vantage issue, you get more horsepower. It's, you know, you get the big straight six. It's a great car. You're capable of doing modern car speeds. So you talk about taking this on a cruise or something like that. You're not crippled by, you know,
Right.
the highway. But these are just literally iconic cars. Even Sir Paul McCartney had one himself. But this particular car is a matching engine, matching chassis, which means the whole car is numbers matching, which is very important if you're an enthusiast or a collector. These are iconic cars, soon to be blue chip collectibles if they aren't already. And we're proud to offer it at the Enthusiast auction this upcoming April. Now, if you want to see this and over 250 other cars, many of which are going up for no reserve, you got to get here in April for our new upcoming extended Enthusiast auction. We've got a lot of great offerings. It's not just this Aston Martin. I mean, look behind us, and this isn't even touching the surface of what we've got. You're going to want to see this in person. We've got a lot of great events. So be sure to get here, bid on the phone, bid online, but trust me, you're going to want to be here in person to see this and many other great offerings right here in Auburn, Indiana.